what's the word? All right, so if you really want a sugar daddy, like all jokes aside, you're gonna swipe on every nigga that pops up.
Drunk sex the best, pull my cup up, sex so deep, feelings deep, no stress to me, he blessing me, he necking me, leave a mess on me, he checking me, no testing me.
Yeah, hope. Before we even get started, can y'all take a minute to oh my god. Anyways, what we're gonna do in this video is what we're gonna do in this video is I'm gonna teach y'all how to get a sugar daddy the real way. Alright, so what you're gonna start off by doing is get you a dating app. So it's this app called Bumble, right? You could either sign up with Facebook, or I click use another option and I do the phone number option. Why? Because I've signed up with Facebook before, and oh my god, they done kicked me off the app. I done used all my fake accounts, all my Facebook accounts, my friends' accounts, and they done kicked me off. So I use this text free, and every time I make a new account, I get a new text free number. So I just make a whole new account. I'm gonna sign up for the text free. And a little hack. So you get to choose what area code you want. It really doesn't matter, but you could just choose any random number. Boom, random number. Choose this number. Instead of putting your real email address and your real information here, you just type random shit. I just type random shit and put @gmail.com at the end. For the password, literally just put random letters, right? So what I do is I take this number, right? The number I picked out, and I'm gonna enter that in Bumble. Y'all know how to sign up for something, so we don't need to get too into detail. So my phone, I don't know if it's just my phone or the app, but it'll say, okay, we're gonna text you a 4-digit code. Boom. Yeah, it does not text me the code. Like, I would have to wait 30 seconds, and then it'll say, if you didn't get the code, do you want us to call you? So I pick the call, and they do call me. So then I enter the little code or whatever. Let's build your sugar daddy profile. Alright, here we go. Okay, so honestly, I don't use my best pictures. So my cutest pictures I don't use, because it's better when I use my mediocre pictures and then they see me in person. They be like, oh, you look better than your pictures. I be like, yeah, I get that a lot. So for my birthday, I'm going to put I'm 18, because the younger the better. And I don't really use my real name, but I be putting Beth, or honestly, I be making up names sometimes, because I make so many accounts that, like, they know when I come back. My account deletes either in a couple hours or at least 24 hours, like in a day. Like, the next day I come back, my account will be gone. Like, people report me on that app so much because they swear I'm a fake page. They swear I'm a robot, this, that, and the third. They be like FaceTiming me. Like, no, like, I don't be wanting to FaceTime you. I be having my wig off ready in bed, and they be wanting to FaceTime. Like, don't do that. For recovery, it will ask you to put your email address just to recover your account. Don't put your email address. That's extra. And you don't want them to be emailing you shit. So with this app, the girl has to text the guy first. So you can match each other just like Tinder, but the girl has to text the guy first. Yeah, so we're all signed up. I already see it. No! My camera died. So boom. We already got one right here. We got one. My dream dinner guest is Barack Obama. Oh, so he like the blacks. Cause some of them on here be racist. They be like, oh, no black bitches. No black bitches. This is how you really get the sugar daddy. Your settings will automatically be set like to the lowest age. You gotta swipe that shit all the way to 80. 80 years old, honey. They be having that bag. But it says 50 miles. You're gonna get long distance ones if you don't change that. So I put mine to at least 25 miles away. You could add a little profile, you know, a little bio, say a little bit about yourself. I don't even be doing that, honestly. I be like casual dating, because some people be looking for relationships, and honestly, actually, I learned from that. Do not put casual dating, because some guys want relationships, and that's actually the best type of guys, because they want somebody that, you know, they want that love. And if you pretend to love them, you get what you want. Like, no, for real, no cap. If you you get a guy that wants a relationship, he's gonna think everything is so sweet. Like, he's gonna automatically start doing romantic stuff for you. And the more he likes you, the more you guys hang out, the more time you spend with each other, the better. The better the gifts, the better everything. So for right now, we just gonna swipe. And honestly, what's the word? Alright, so if you really want a sugar daddy, like, all jokes aside, you're gonna swipe on every nigga that pops up. Oh, we got a match. We got one. So boom, you have to text him first. He cannot text you. So you can't even say one word like, hey. Like, they would be like, oh, make a better thing to say. A better message. So I would be like, hey cutie, what you doing? We already got 30 matches. 30 men up there wanna be my sugar daddy. Now, not everybody's gonna wanna be a sugar daddy, but I mean, you never know who you find on there. When I use this app, I upgrade to Boost, so you gotta pay for that, obviously. It's like $7. And you can see everyone who matches you, who likes you. And instead of scrolling through everybody, you can just get the ones that you want. So if you have a card in your Apple ID and you have the money to spend, get you that $7 upgrade to Boost. And more people get to see you like that. So that quick, we already have 48. Like, let me tell you, these men be rolling in. Mad thirst. Like, just boom, another one. Hey, what you doing, cutie? Nah, but eventually you'll just be talking to them, da-da-da, conversate. And honestly, that's mad annoying, right? Honestly, the best thing to do is be yourself. Because you can't build a relationship of any kind, a friendship, boyfriend and girlfriend relationship, any relationship of any kind, off lies and bullshit. Like, you gotta be yourself. You can't try to be somebody you're not, because people get that vibe when you're not, you just get that vibe. You know what I'm talking about. Hey, home, relaxing, beautiful you. Nothing. Nah, I don't even know what to say to them, because I don't need to say anything. This is for y'all, not for me. But yeah, like, we got 50 plus, and it'll only say 50 plus, so it's not gonna say 70 or 60 plus. Once you get 50 plus, you already know you got a lot. All these guys already want to be my sugar daddy. Nah, but no cap, if you like saying you 18, whatever, they know you're not gonna want a relationship with them. They know you're not gonna. Some girls do, don't get me wrong, some girls do, but majority of us, like, nobody's gonna take you serious, especially if you like mad thirst. Like, I don't know, niggas on here be so thirsty, like, automatically sending cock pictures. Like, nobody wanna see that shit. And then they be like, oh, send me a pic. Send you a pic for what? And I be like, cash at me. What I'ma get? Like, cash at me. They already know as soon as they cash out, they getting blocked. So they don't even be with that anymore. Like, niggas already know what's up. You have to be sweet to them. Like, don't, I know it's a nasty old man, and you know he's old and his breath stink, but be nice to him because he wants to be nice to you. He wants to treat you right. So why not treat him right? It'll make things go so much smoother, so much faster if you're showing him the same type of affection he's showing you. The key to using people is to act. You have to act. Like, females be trying to use somebody, but don't be trying to use them. Like, they just be like, ew, da 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 da. Like, you can't be like that with these old men because you're gonna hurt their feelings and they're not gonna like you anymore. So, you know, just act like you really like them. You know, give them a little peck on the lips. A little peck ain't gonna hurt. You want that bag, right? This shit ain't about nothing. Like, it is so easy to swindle these men. Like, they love especially young black girls. Like, they love young black girls. The dark skins, they can't get enough. I mean, I guess other girls got it too, but honestly, I've never seen a white girl or Hispanic girl, any other race, Asian, with a sugar daddy. Like, I've seen black girls in Bentleys, drop tops, in a mall, shopping. Like, one time, I was walking with one of my sugar daddies, and we was in Sephora. We was in Sephora, and it was a group of girls, and they was like, oh, that's her sugar daddy? And I turned around like, like, that ain't about nothing. There is another app called Tinder, and on Bumble they will ask you to verify, like, literally take a picture of yourself so they can verify that it's you. And honestly, the picture doesn't have to look like you at all. You could use a picture of the next bitch. I've done that too. And I've used, like, pictures of girls uglier than me, and when we meet in person, they'll be like, oh, you're way cuter in person. And, like, I feel like that just boosts it a little more, gives it that, like. But, so, Tinder. I hate Tinder. Tinder is trash. Like, first of all, the guys on there are nothing like the guys on Bumble. The guys on Tinder are sloppy and messy, and they don't got that bag. Like, Bumble guys are so classy and put together. They're, like, sugar daddy material. But Tinder guys is, like, fuck boys. Like, nobody, no. I haven't used any other site. I've tried, like, that sugardaddy.com, this, that, and the third. Honestly, niggas on that app be broke. Like, one time, he lived in Manhattan, and, you know, I do not live in New York. I live in New Jersey. So I'm like, okay, boom, send my Uber. He wanted me to come see him, so I'm not about to get on a train and you trying to be my sugar daddy. Like, I met you off a sugar daddy site. He's all like, oh, that's expensive, blah, blah, blah. What do you mean? You're trying to be somebody's sugar daddy, but you can't pay the ride to your crib, and you're asking them to come see you? Like, it's not even like you came to pick me up in a car. You didn't even, like, offer to come get me. Like, the least you could have done was send me a ride to you. Especially for the first time meeting. I'm not taking the train to you because, say you flop, I just did all that work for nothing. I just traveled for nothing. Nah, that's not about to go down. So you're going to spend that money on that Uber. And if he's not spending that money on that Uber, don't go to see that nigga at all. Because if he can't spend the money for the Uber, he can't spend the money for nothing else. Nothing that you want. Not sugar daddy material. And when you meet these guys, like, first of all, if he's not taking you out, I feel like first impressions are everything. If he's not taking you out, like, what are you doing? What, are you gonna chill in his crib and smoke or drink? Like, you need to higher your standards if you're looking for a sugar daddy. Now, a boyfriend is something different. The first date might be Shake Shack. The first date might be staying in the house booling. But a sugar daddy is something different. That nigga has to take you out somewhere nice too. Not no Red Lobster, not no Applebee's, somewhere like some Benihana, something, like, I don't know, but it has to be somewhere nice, because first impressions is everything. And if he can't show you, like, if he can't show you that bag on the first date, like, you wasting your time, because he's not trying to spend that bag on you. You got to make sure that nigga got the bag and he's trying to spoil you. Like, you gonna want to make him want to spoil you. Like, you're gonna want to treat him extra good, like, wake him up to breakfast, give him a kiss at any random time, like touch him on the shoulder. Little things matter, and they notice stuff like that, and that makes them more attracted to you. That makes them like you more, and that makes them want to spend more. The more they like you, the more they want to spend, honestly. Like, if you're acting bougie and if you're acting like mad ill to him, he's not gonna wanna treat you good. Like I remember it was this one guy, he was just so ill to me. Like, I just couldn't, I didn't want to kiss him, I didn't want to do, and then that was a wrap right there. Like, it was out the door. Like, I didn't want to do anything with him, and he didn't want to spend anything on me. And I get that. Like, it's a give and you get world. Like, you have to give to get. Don't be over here talking about, I want a sugar daddy, but you're not willing to do what you gotta do for a sugar daddy. Like, then you don't want a sugar daddy. So follow my tips, because I know what I'm talking about. Like, I know what I'm talking about. And you have you a sugar daddy in no time. Period. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, because I have so many more videos coming up. So many more videos planned that I want to show you guys and talk to you guys about. So yeah, subscribe, and I will be posting soon. Bye.